Is that up a bullfrog?
Yes, man.
Come on here, yard for you.
Me salt the frog, you know.
Yeah, dirty pot.
Yeah. That means when time ready to score it off.
Jamaican breakfast. Yeah. At the 5-star backyard.
Style, you know? Forget the fork.
And we have to eat the food. So we are going with it now, Alan.
Yeah. I come back to the curry chicken again, you know? So I drop in the salt.
We say yes, it's not curry. If people say you cook with enough salt, Alan.
I'm gonna cook with no salt, you know?
Cut me your salt.
I put all of that, Alan. Yeah, man, you probably cook with no. Alan, I put all of that salt.
I can't, daddy can't feel.
No, when we come and Tony say, no, you want something, you say, you make no uncle. You think I'll squat, I'll figure the buckle of water, and then you Tony food like where? Where?
Yeah, man, I'm a joke thing, man. When we just come under the cook and room,
when
and
Tony
have to
show that is
some
with himself, you know, it's a ratty, this kind of thing going on.
What kind of keto
When he come up
daddy?
to blows and sweat, if he play clean like whistle,
Salt, man.
and in the farm. And you see him build up in big ganja to
Come like it's salt, cure him.
He said, no.
So your seasoning bag that, Alan, what you look for?
Seasoning bag, me look
When you
me.
need too much salt,
Me have one little pack of jerk seasoning in that bag, yo. Look like you really don't bottom.
Alright, yeah, look for the jerk. So you put jerk in here, curry?
Sometimes, you know.
me can't man like me because, you know,
These are the curry, you know.
me just adjust myself.
So it's a countryman thing, this is a countryman keep them seasoning.
Yeah, man, I say,
Tie up in a something.
yeah.
When me a cook,
So you know them, you
pot
know.
not to taste because me pot.
Alright.
Sprinkle little curry on it. Or you throw some in there. Sprinkle a little curry right around it, you know.
And that you the pan.
Yeah, because you have to throw some in the eye.
Oh.
Anytime it-
Curry, so I'm not burn thing curry, you know.
And you rub it up. That's how the granny say, you have to rub in the seasoning in there.
So you say, the breadfruit them in a fire and a bun up.
And pull in the pan, you know.
Oh, so when you say roast breadfruit and curry fowl.
Put on curry for you know. I deal with the nice Breadfruit, them ready up, officer.
And my belly up roll. Alright. Curry, tell it you. You know far with the fuck what barrier curry.
The hard of me out there.
You can't talk it at that eye gate.
No. I don't know why they didn't put a gate okay gate.
I think I did. No, I think I'm gonna go down. Now you know, say Richmond Kentucky that sell.
How would you auntie?
So we look a piece of garlic where we are cut up in our way. The thing, you know.
Yeah.
I do it the curry.
Me not tell a lie down here, so cool do a lie. The little house you broke down party, but me not tell a lie down here cool. See Uncle Murphy the right there, so. Cool man, right there, so me sit down, me feel so nice. Yeah man, feel nice. At the coolest places me sit down since me come here. Yeah man. Me say it's a cool breeze I come, I must have the mango tree them, you know. So you say Alan, you still, man, me not telling Alan when you cook, me come like me go dead for hungry. Pass the water if me not curry.
Alan, you have to cook for fast,
You know, just cook auntie.
yeah, but at the same time you have to start the routine.
So I wish for you the chicken I go up on the land.
If I ready for the chicken.
Which one? Oh, you know, a bird pepper.
Yeah, pepper, man.
Yeah, pepper.
Yes,
But you know, a bird pepper.
no, bird pepper.
So you're busy then on Alan?
Yeah, man.
I do.
I cut up with one in the night.
Aye. I second time this year I cook curry for you, but we never see when you season up that curry there. But when I do the over I do the headstone.
The mango season, like.
Paprika.
You know, get no paprika in that curry.
They sign a paprika, they sign in jerk seasoning.
Oh, so you put little jerk
Yeah,
in
man.
it. So I saw on put jerk seasoning in that
You have
curry.
the Maggi, the jerk cheese is as good as the Maggi.
Okay, oh. Not gonna lie. That's so cool, that's how we make you just get worthless.
No.
Alright, Alan, when you're done with the chicken and ready to put it on, we are catch you, right?
Yeah.
So when you say curry, you're not really rummed.
Me no be not a rummed man. I am a ganja bird. And a ganja tree.
Oh,
As you look from me, you see the ganja. Let me tell you
But
that.
the rum, you know.
I'm burning ganja from I'm 12-year-old and I'm now 52 this year. So I'm no rumhead from 12 years. And I'm 52 this year.
So 40 years you burn the weed curry.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
You say you drink your liquor and feel sweet, but it's not a rum.
Guinness or whatsoever. Drink one rum, but I am no rumhead. No alcoholist. I am a herbalist.
All right.
You understand?
Yeah. All right. Good, sir. Thanks, curry.
Right. So the curry pot put on you now. And the breadfruit them there ready. I wait for the curry. You simmer down, so now simmer down the curry now. And then you know, so I see what the breadfruit them here. Coming back to the curry.
Where's the curry this salon?
Coming right down now. Ready for eat the curry now, you know. And the breadfruit them there, so ready for eat.
Yeah. So the curry ready. Yeah. We couldn't catch it. Look at things going on, we couldn't catch you all of the cooking of the curry. Yeah, so you go dish up the curry now and open up the breadfruit them.
Yeah, man,
curry look good though.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Next time we're gonna see with Parry, I go be food time. Curry, I want to go on this so. Yeah, where you going with this? We have to go take care back then. Oh. Well, Alan there with the food. Boy, Alan can't. Terence, I go plug out the food fridge, you know?
Yeah.
Because we can't leave it plug in, because we don't have not that, the thing they feed. Yeah. Yeah. Alan, me here want simmering the like curry chicken and dry out, you know. What you say?
Yeah, so we peel off the skin off of the breadfruit, you know.
But they not bad, Alan. The breast, they ain't here.
So they're not bad, man. See them pretty, peeling it. You see the yellowness in it. You don't have the real time of breadfruit, you know.
And my peel, so you know, look like you peel the breast, then too thick, man. I told me hungry. So you use one cloth to hold him.
Yeah, for hold
the black part, and the next cleaner cloth now for hold. Alright, Alan. But this is a real roast breadfruit and curry chicken field here.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Right, food time, Parry.
Yeah. Slice it up and put it in the plate, you know. You so come back here, eh?
So you never want no food now, wait for no food? Oh, you don't like curry?
You don't curry, man.
Nobody shot no wallet for me, you know, Alan. I mean, I go wait pound for food not one, you know. I go cut. Yeah. Me and your man go with. Me and your man go with. If I hear say your man go with, I go be Parry. First time, like, as soon as you eat, you're gone. Oh, you just have to put the whole of the breadfruit in one plate. Then I offer so much brush, Alan. No, so I don't want so much. Go help him run fly your Uncle Murphy. Because we're not, I'm a prim and proper this, you know. I just want, I want the curry pepper in Alan. I know if he did that, I know if he that. Him not eat some brush. Yeah, here is.
All right, here.
Me check your ear. So then I get ear is none I work.
So here is the kind of man. So when he can take on one man, he can take on two, he take him on.
Oh, that thing say?
So he say,
Oh.
can all the while work out every man. What he say?
You must say I will do other things too, you know. And say I work in the pan.
But he say, no, kind of man from out here, I can't do no work.
Oh, the man in that area eat food. That I must fit terrains. Take out some of my breadfruit for me, because gas pack me. Gas pack me up. Come there. Give Uncle Murphy that, Alan. Come there and just give me about 3 slices of breadfruit, Alan.
Too much.
Make sure say look, go to my feet. Ah, the gravy I run out. Remember say man them out there so you know Alan. Yeah, share heavy. How much man out there? 4 man? Sani out there, 4 man out there, bow shoe. The sticker them. I fuck. Whoa, Uncle Murphy, your gravy I throw away them and so you know. The pot brusher in a gravy.
Gravy brusher, you know.
Yeah, and the gravy run along that plate. The pop roast breadfruit in a curry. In a curry gravy there. Use the towel and wipe out that plate there, Alan.
Can't say you know come up and eat up some roast breadfruit.
Yeah, Uncle Murphy the on the trail. Uncle Murphy the bottle so they see I eat roast breadfruit and curry.
Like one girl little me says to me, I eat.
Well, this time I roast breadfruit and curry chicken. So you say, Alan, you deal it for me like one. Yeah, now give me no more. If I want my next slice, me tell you. So, I don't know what part eating here today. Sorry. Give me the bony part, them, Alan. Bone. Yeah, alright. I'm gonna like. Yeah, alright, Alan. No, I don't want the gravy. I don't like gravy. One pear now. Curry man, say if you go dish out your food.
If you run a restaurant, I see you call it buy them and go tell them go share it.
Restaurant.
Alan, the curry tastes good.
No, talk like a poon one can cook. The whole breed of really bad to cook.
But you want some drinks.
You know, for yard. Drinks up a yard, you know.
Come Alan, come up in the camera, come. Come up in the Alan, food that in a party. Yes, sir. No, sir.
A breadfruit, you know.
A curry that in a people.
Real breadfruit and curry chicken, you know. My name as usual, curry. Yes.
Woo. Where?
Wow.
Yeah.
Can't go more so. Can't go more so.
What day you up there sleep? No. Eh? No. So what you did there? I don't give me my breakfast here, boy. Me come here from the France, Frank, say give me my jars this morning. Oh, you left so early? Ah. Is that a bullfrog?
Yes, man.
Come here yard for you.
Me salt the frog, you know. And when the frog take time move off, then jump go to my bathroom doorway.
Alright.
And he stop. Stop back at him and me I watch him. He move again from the bathroom doorway to the house corner. He say, alright, I soon come. And I go back round there. There was a long iron tall bowl like this length. This board length.
Yes, sir.
I mean, lift up the heavy iron. Ramming in him. And left him in 4 foot then turn over.
You can't
So
climb.
I say, alright, stay there till the morning, me push you off outside or push over gully.
When you come a morning.
Hold on, no? Go back on veranda.
What you say to me?
I go back on veranda and I sit down. My brother lie down on the veranda and he flash. I sit down on the veranda. Have you ever speak to me and say, go back around and go look at the same frog? I go back around and no frog. No frog. No frog. You hear me say? The next day I left go work. I move the frog from my toilet castle, you know. Next day I go work and come at the day in the midday. I push dead behind where the frog move the frog from. My push where they yard over 10 years. Move dead behind the frog.
Just so.
Just like that. Because my push dead. Remember me tell you.
So then can't talk to your curry.
And from me game this from me game in come back with the night and me game the salt and sitting there underneath him skin, you know.
At you.
And do come back from that.
So the same from Breezy I bet.
Take care of it, man. You take care of it, man. When he's supposed to be because he's supposed to make it too light.
If you have good bread, me so you say you have to have good beverage, man.
So when he's supposed to be you put cold.
Lord God.
Yeah.
It light. Alright, where you plate? Let me see plate, man.
No plate, yeah.
Jesus. Curry and move that too.
You're working, man.
You're working.
You're contract, you know, you're working.
You're paying breadfruit and curry chicken contract.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Working good.
Working.
And you realize awful, okay?
Yeah, man. I ain't anybody short my food for Sunny.
Breadfruit one here. Breadfruit then dry.
Curry, give me a little more. Look more I show, look more I drink. If you make curry, if you make up, yeah. The drink tastes good, it's not sweet. That me like.
Hold on, yeah.
Alright.
You can't peel more breadfruit, can you?
Ito mo pil mo beko. Alang kaya niya, no?